I just received my cultured kefir grains in the mail and I'm going to activate them. So it says to put them in a glass jar, add 1 to 2 cups of whole milk, and it can be cold, it doesn't have to be warm. And I'm going to put my plastic lid on and let it sit undisturbed on the counter for 36 hours. So we will check back. Okay, so it's been 36 hours-ish, and as you can tell, the milk is starting to ferment, but like they said, not all of it because the grains aren't up to full strength. So I'm going to strain out the grains, toss that milk, and then redo the process once, maybe twice, until all of the milk is fermented, and then it's ready to make my kefir. Okay, so I strained out my kefir grains, put them back in the jar, and I'm going to add 2 more cups of milk, whole milk. Put the lid on and let it sit for another 36 hours, and we'll check it again. Okay, this is my first large batch of kefir, and as you can see, it has fermented, and I'm going to strain out the grains and store it in quart-size jars. Okay, so I've got my sifted kefir, and I put the grains back over in this jar to make more. So I'll add more milk to that and let that sit. And then it's just a continuous cycle. Okay, this is my recipe for kefir smoothies. This is my first smoothie with my kefir from the grains, and it's really smooth and it tastes really good. I can definitely tell a difference.